So, if you have clicked on this video, then you wanna use YouTube Music without subscription, and in this video, I'll show you how to do just that. Yes, it's possible to use YouTube Music on your smartphone without needing a YouTube Music subscription. See, here I am using a non-premium YouTube Music account and I can play any song without any ads. I can skip to the next or previous tracks without ads. If I close the app, the music keeps playing in the background, and even if I turn off the screen, the music won't stop. It keeps playing. So now let me show you how you can use YouTube Music for free. And the method I am about to show you works on both Android and iOS devices. For the demonstration, first I'll do it on my Android device. I'm using the S24 Ultra. Just open the Play Store and install Brave browser. It is a fast, private, secure browser. After installing it, launch it and open the YouTube Music on the browser window. Sign in with your free YouTube Music account. See, here in my profile it shows Get Music Premium, which means that this is a non-premium free account. Now, just tap on the three dots on the bottom right and open Settings. Here, scroll down and look for this Media tab in the Display section. Open it and enable this Background Play toggle button. Now, I can play any song on YouTube Music in the browser without any ads, and when I switch the apps or even close the display, the music keeps on playing. Similarly, on my iPhone 17 Pro Max, I just have to download the Brave browser, tap on the three dots at the bottom right, go to Settings, scroll down, tap on Media and enable background audio playback. Now similarly, just log into your free YouTube Music account and start playing your favorite songs without any ads. You can use different apps or lock the screen and the music will keep on playing. And that's it for this one. If you found this video informative, then hit the like button and subscribe to Gizmo Rush for more cool stuff like this. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.